Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on your iPhone. And now we're going to take a look at something that's quite important, and that is creating a backup point on the EGW Cloud for your study center. Now let's dive in and learn the quick steps on how to do that. Step 1 is to open the study center. When you open it, you can see that it synchronizes a point. Once that point is synchronized from your study center to the cloud, then you tap on this little icon in the top right-hand corner that looks like a cloud with an arrow pointing out of it, and you see 3 points. You can back up to the local backup, you can restore a backup, but the one we're going to do here is create and restore a cloud backup. So it will restore a point in time, because every time you run your study center, it creates a new restore point, but it gets wiped over every single time that backup happens, like you saw when I opened the study center. But if you want to create a restore point, this is how you do it. Now, first of all, you just click on Backup Now, and it will run the backup. And here you can see here that we created an earlier one of September 30 at 12:16. Now we've created another one at 12:26. If I want to delete the earlier one, I just click on Delete, and it is gone. And now say, okay, it's saved in the cloud, but maybe you want to put it also in iCloud as a second point of backup. No problem. Just click on Download there. And once it's downloaded, it will download into the memory of a device, but you need to store that into iCloud to be permanently stored. So you click on Open In, and we're going to come down and we're going to say Save to Files, and it puts it out into iCloud there in Downloads, and I click Save, and now that file is backed up. And if you ever want to do a restore point, you'll need to come back and do this point here where it says here, upload a dump. Now you can't upload the zip file, you must upload a JSON file, so you would have to unpack from a computer or a laptop that zip file and then save the JSON file out on its own, and then you would be able to click here and upload the JSON file by browsing and finding it. But you cannot do it directly from the phone. It's best to do that from a PC or from a Mac. Alright, so that's how you create a backup point on the EGW Cloud, and if you ever just want to restore it, you just click on the restore there and it will restore that point. If you want to take it from an offline restore point, as I said, you need to do that from a PC, from the JSON file. Okay, thanks for joining us today. We learned how to create a quick backup of your EGW Study Center into EGW Cloud. Thank you and have a nice day.